PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning is a trusted HVAC company in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, providing reliable heating, cooling, and air quality solutions for residential and commercial properties. Our experienced technicians handle HVAC maintenance, system inspections, air duct cleaning, and performance improvements to keep your equipment running efficiently year-round. We focus on enhancing indoor comfort, energy efficiency, and air quality using professional tools and proven techniques. Whether you need routine service or help improving airflow and system performance, our team delivers dependable results. Homeowners and businesses in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania count on PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning for professional, customer-focused HVAC services. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a HVAC company near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. How do I know if I need HVAC repair? Signs include uneven temperatures, unusual noises, rising energy bills, weak airflow, or frequent system cycling. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional inspections and repairs to restore proper heating and cooling performance in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. How often should HVAC systems be serviced? HVAC systems should be serviced at least once a year, ideally before peak heating or cooling seasons. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning offers routine maintenance in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania to help extend system lifespan and prevent costly breakdowns. What is your service office for HVAC company Glen Mills, Pennsylvania? Our local HVAC company Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadsford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/